Hi everyone. Grant is here and he's going to tell us how he pictures 4 times 27 in his head using money. So Grant, I went ahead because you explained to me how you see 47 in your mind. So a quarter, right? And then 2 pennies. So this is worth 25, 26, 27. And then we've got one group and then 2, 3, 4. So to figure out 4 times 27, we have to figure out how much in total here. So how are you going to do this?
So I'm going to count by 25s here.
Okay, so let's split this so that people can see it. So you're going to split this 27 into 25, which is the quarter, right? And then 2 pennies. So basically there's like an invisible line here, right? And then you're going to go 4 times 25. So 4 times 25. And you're going to add that to 4 times 2. So this is your 4 times 25.
This would be 25, 50, 75, 100.
Okay, so that equals 100. And then here, let me just put 100. So that's $1 or 100 cents.
And here there's 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay, so plus 8. So then 4 times 27
equals 108.
Wow, fantastic. Hi everyone. Today, Louie is going to tell us how to do 4 times 27.
Yeah.
So I put this out because Louie said he wants to think about it in money, but he said in 27 he wants to think of as like 20 and 7.
Yeah.
So check this out. So 10, that's a dime. 20, right? So there's 20. And this is a nickel, so that's worth 5. So 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
So basically there's like an invisible wall right here.
Yeah.
So 20 and then 7. So I'm going to write that down here. 20 and 7. Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm going to do that for all of them. So we have one group of 27, 2, 3, 4. And I've drawn invisible lines for all of them. Okay, so I've also written down this, Louie.
Yeah.
To see what's the same here. Okay.
Okay.
So here we go 4 times 7. So where's the 4 times 7 here? The
4 times 7 is so 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so let's do this, right? And that's 4 times 7, which is equal to what?
Which is equal to...
You can look here.
28.
28. You can look here. It's just 5, 10, 15, 20 plus 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's write it like this. 4 times 7, 4 times 7. And then, so we're going to write the 28 here. Okay?
Yeah.
And then, so 4 times 7 is 28. And then 4 times 2.
4 times 2 is 8.
Yeah, and there's 8 dimes here, right? So this is like 4 times 2 or 20 because it's dimes, right? So 10, 20.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I'm going to write the 80 cents over here. Okay, and then here, what's 4 times 20?
4 times 20 is 80.
80. Okay, so we've got the 28, we've got the 80. So we got to add this together. How much is there in total here then, Louie?
So we have to add
80 plus 28.
Which is 108.
So 108.
Yeah.
That was awesome, Louie. So 4 times 27 equals 108.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Bye.